How to track your betting history in Betway. If you wish to track your betting history in Betway, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. First of all, you could be using the Betway app, or you could also be using the website. So let's say you go to betway.com and that you're logged into your account. Just click on your profile name or the drop down icon from the top right, and here you'll see many options. Now first, if you go to this option called game history, you'll be able to see all of your betting history, which is your game history right over here. So right here you'll see your login sessions, where you started, what game, what you canceled, the SGP, the in-play game betting and live betting, and so on. So you'll find all those here. Aside from this, if you want to find your, let's say, transaction history, again you can click the profile icon and go to the option called transaction history to be able to view all of your payment history in this case as well. Now after that also, you can view some of your current bets by going to my bets section. You can see the open bets and you can see the settled bets. And this is how you can simply track or view your betting history in Betway. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.